watching for a tornado warning. Oh my god. No!
I got some water, guys. Got water.
No! Guys, there's a new rotation. Come on. No, actually, a warning was just issued, guys. Guys, hurry up! What are you guys doing? Guys,
You want to go?
yes, we have to go, bro.
Leah, bring water.
Get in and down.
Guys, I need water in case we gotta be there for a while. I gotta bring water. It's
Down there a little bit.
I have to bring water. It's one of the things that people need.
I never experienced a tornado warning with a tornado threat of 1 out of 5. Oh my gosh.
Go to that side, Alex.
What?
It's about to go.
No, did you see that rotation? That's it strong.
Right,
Oh my-
the dogs.
That was okay.
It's okay. It might be an if. What? Oh my gosh.
No, ni adentro si hay cosas.
No hay nada. Hold on, Neil.
Hold on.
Ah, no. I don't like the looks of that.